Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have a small bead box bargains order to share with you all today. It is small, I promise. And I was not even going to do a video on it because it's so small. But then I decided there might be some things in here that you all would want to see. It was their year-end clearance sale that they had, I think, is when I placed this order. And I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it is really raining hard here. So if you hear something, that's the rain. It's really, really raining hard. It's not storming, though. There's no thunder and lightning. It's just rain. So hold on. I'll get all this out and organize it, and I'll be back. Okay. I know this looks odd. You're thinking, she said she was going to show us a beadbox bargains order, and she's got a bunch of earrings laying up there on her bead mat. And not only that, they're Christmas earrings. And does she not know that Christmas time is over? I think she's finally lost it, but I do know that Christmas time is over. I know it's not Christmas time anymore, but I just got these laid out to show you why I bought what I bought from Beadbox Bargains. I told y'all before the only craft fair I set up at anymore is the one here at Christmas time locally around here. I'm really not able to set up at any others, and the one here locally is fairly easy for me to do. It's always the first Saturday in December every year. And I make these little brick stitch Christmas earrings, and they are hugely popular. They always sell out really quickly. And this year, when I got ready for my craft fair, I didn't have any from the prior year because I had sold them all, and I foolishly waited until like a month before the craft fair and started trying to make them. And they take so long to make that by the time the craft fair rolled around, I didn't have very many. And they sold out just almost immediately. And I felt bad because I didn't have enough for the people that wanted them. I had people coming around wanting them, and I had sold out of them, and I didn't have enough. So this time, I decided this year I'm going to make them all year long. And then by the next year's craft fair, I'll have plenty for everybody who wants some. And this is something that I can do when I'm sitting in the living room watching TV with my husband. And that's what I've been doing. I've already got more made here than I had when I set up this year at the craft fair. So I'm going to have plenty, I think, next year when I set up. Most of these are patterns that I bought on Etsy. I had a lot of people asking me this year about Grinch earrings. The Grinch apparently is really popular. So I got some Grinch earring patterns on Etsy, and I have been making these. And like I said, I've already got more made now than I did when I set up this year, so I'll have plenty. And that's the reason that I bought 4 packages of 50 pieces gold, let's see there, 19 by 16 millimeter nickel-free steel hook ear wires, antique gold finish. They were 50 pieces, and it was their year-end clearance sale, so they were 44 cents a package. And I just couldn't pass up a deal like that. And I'm obviously going to need a lot of ear wires. I don't have any of these on ear wires yet. I'm just making them, and I'll put them on ear wires closer to time of my craft fair. But I got 4 packages, so I've got 200, so that's enough for 100 pairs of earrings. Of course, I'm not going to do them all in gold. I would have got some silver, probably would have got this many silver, but they didn't have any silver. I don't know. I think I got the day that I placed my order, I think the sale had been going on for a day or two, so they might have had some and then sold out before I placed my order. I don't know, but I'll have to get some silver ones another time or something, but I've got plenty of gold to put on the ones that I'm going to put gold on. And that's also why I got 2 packages of gold wire guardians. These are 5 by 4 millimeter nickel-free brass wire guardians in gold, and they were $1.69 a package. They weren't on sale, but I got these because I always put wire guardians at the top of my earrings here. So I got these, so I'll have enough for 100 pairs of earrings. Make 100 pairs of earrings. And then I also got 2 packages of 5 by 4 millimeter nickel-free brass wire guardians in antique silver. So there's 100 pieces in each of these packages. So that's enough for, I guess, 100 pairs of earrings. And there were 100, I don't know if I said there were 100 in these gold ones too. And these antique silver ones were $1.69 each too. And they were not on sale, I don't think, but of course I used my 30% off coupon for the things that were not on sale that you get from being a subscriber to Bargain Bead Box. So I've got plenty of antique silver and gold wire guardians and gold fishhook ear wires. Now I just have to find me some antique silver ear wires to go with these wire guardians, and I'll for sure be set. So I just wanted to show why I bought so many wire guardians and fishhook ear wires. So hold on, I'll get all this up and I'll be back and show you the rest of my order. Okay, now that I've got all my earrings out of the way, the next thing I've got here are 10 pieces, 10 by 11 millimeter flower cone bead caps in antique bronze. And these were 60 cents. They were also on sale as part of their year-end sale. And I just thought these were pretty. And they'd be good to like make tassels. Put these on top of a tassel and make a tassel with. So that's why I got those. And then next, I have 4 pieces, 15 by 19.5 millimeter enameled bird charms, black, white, and gold. And I just thought these were really cute. They're not double-sided, but see, that's what they look like on the back. But I thought they would be really cute to put on a pair of earrings. I can make 2 pairs of earrings, and heaven knows I've got plenty of ear wires to put on earrings now. So I can make some earrings with these little birds. I thought they were just so cute. And then the next thing I have are, let me see, 4 pieces, 22 by 18 millimeter leaf cutout charms in antique silver. I've had these before, but I had them in gold or rose gold. I can't remember. But I always thought these were really pretty. So I got those. They were $1.49. I don't think they were part of the sale. Those bird charms were 76 cents. I think they were part of the sale. But these were $1.49, so I don't think they were part of the sale. And then next, I got some 2 pieces, 20 by 14 millimeter enameled butterfly charms, magenta, pink, and silver. And they were 99 cents for the 2. I don't know if they were part of the sale or not. They probably were. I don't know for sure. But they're not double-sided either. But I thought they were really pretty and would be pretty on some earrings. I really like the little butterfly charms. Kind of wish I'd gotten another package of those. Those are really pretty. And then next I've got an 18 by 16 millimeter tiger eye heart charm with bail, with a silver bail. And it was $1.29, so I don't think it was part of the sale either. But I thought that was pretty. I love tiger eye. And then last, I have a meter of 4 by 2 millimeter stainless steel Venetian box jewelry chain. And this was part of their sale. It was 80 cents for a meter of this Venetian box jewelry chain. And I always need chain, and that's a really good price for a meter of chain. And I thought it was pretty chain, so I got that. That's the last thing. And then they always send a little free gift. They sent me a couple of little, I don't know, did I say? Yeah, I said how much that chain was. It was 80 cents. They sent me a couple of glue-on bales here as my free gift that they always send. So I got a couple of those. So that's everything. So hold on, I'll get it all together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there is my very small Bead Box Bargains order. Mostly earring findings to go with all the earrings I plan to have at my craft fair next year. Of course, I'm going to have to find some silver ones somewhere. I'm sure I will between now and then. I don't think I said my total came to $14.79, and that includes $3.50 shipping. Before shipping, it was $11.29. I got $3.16 off with my 30% off coupon. Of course, most of this was their year-end sale, so it was already deeply discounted, so my coupon didn't apply to that. But I'm really happy with all these. They're really pretty. I really love these little enamel charms. And I really like this chain. I kind of wish I'd got another meter of it. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry. I also sell gift cards and some extra beads and findings that I have, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.